Hey Rustaceans! In the previous video we installed Rust and now we're ready to write our very first Rust program. Today we'll set up a simple Hello World project and run it using Cargo. Before we dive in, make sure you have Visual Studio Code installed. We won't go into the installation steps here, but if you don't have it installed yet, just head over to code.visualstudio.com, download it and get it installed. It's very straightforward. In the upcoming videos, we'll transform Visual Studio Code into the ultimate tool for Rust development by adding powerful extensions. To create our first Rust project, open your terminal, navigate to the folder where you want to store your code, and type cargo new hello_world. Next, navigate into your new project directory. To open your project in Visual Studio Code, simply type code dot and press enter. All right, let's get rid of those annoying pop-ups and take a look at our freshly created project structure. The src folder is where all our Rust code lives, with main.rs as the main entry point. The cargo tomo file is our project's control panel, managing settings, dependencies, and build configurations. It's time to take a look at our main.rs file. The main.rs file comes preloaded with a simple main function that uses the println macro to print "Hello World" to the console. This is the perfect starting point for our first Rust project. Let's run it and watch the magic happen. Let's fire up the terminal, type cargo run and hit enter. This is where our code comes to life. Under the hood, Cargo uses Rust-C compiler to turn our code into an executable. It then runs our Hello World program all in one smooth step. Our terminal is proudly displaying Hello World, which means everything worked perfectly. Seeing this simple output might not seem like much, but it's a huge first step in our Rust journey. We're officially up and running with Rust, and there's so much more to come. Now, let's take a look at the new files and folders that were generated. You might notice a new cargo log file and a target folder. Cargo log, this file keeps track of all the exact versions of dependencies used in your project. It's super helpful for ensuring consistent builds. Target folder. This is where Cargill compiles your project, storing all the build artifacts, including the executable file created by Rust-C. Wow, we've reached the end of section 1 and look at everything we've accomplished. We've mastered the basics of Rust app and Cargo, setting ourselves up for success with Rust. We installed Rust, set up our development environment in VS Code. We didn't just stop there. We created our very first Rust project using Cargo, diving straight into coding. We explored our project's structure, getting to know the roles of main.rs and cargo.toml and why they matter. We ran our Hello World program and saw our code come to life right in the terminal. And on top of that, we learned about the cargo.log file and the target folder, understanding how Cargo keeps our builds consistent and organized. In the next video, we'll supercharge Visual Studio Code by installing all the necessary extensions to make it the ultimate tool for Rust development. This course is absolutely free, but I need your support to keep it going. Smash that subscribe button,